Welcome to today's video. We got two things that are pretty special. First, let's just look around because Matt, you gotta tell him. Honestly, Matt, you should just kind of go off this. I know we kind of did updates in the past, but like, tell them where we're at.
Well, it's been a long time since we've done an update.
We did.
And we're pretty much there. I mean, like, we probably got a couple weeks left, and then we can start moving in officially. I mean, there's like 2 trades that gotta finish up what they're doing, and then we're ready to move in and hoist and go up soon and get to work. I mean,
it's done. I feel like we should do a quick tour.
We should wait.
We should wait?
We should wait.
All right. So we have been working most of the morning. We did some of the things in the attic. And then we actually painted the little automotive section over there gray. As you can see, it's still drying. We were supposed to do this, but it's still damp from washing it. I feel like the first thing was the shop being literally so close to being done, and I just want to, everyone should thank Wally right now for letting us be here. There it is, Kyle. There it is, there it is, there it is. Second thing, I got seats for the Corvette, as Kyle is demonstrating. We got NRG, very basic seats, but I'm pretty stoked on them.
I'm comfortable.
Kyle, no. I got a little pocket in them.
Ooh.
Dude, it is sweet. Because I didn't even have anything to put like my phone anywhere in there before. So, I actually took last weekend and actually installed one of the seats because I wanted to make sure I could do it without getting like the proper hardware I actually needed. So we actually made something up. But it worked out pretty good, so we are going to do it again. Yeah, and the BMW's in here. So I got the seat in. It does work pretty well. I think I'm going to just do it for the passenger seat. And then I also have to remove the seat belt off my old seat that's back here that is just clapped out to use my seat belt in here. Because I am going to get harnesses, just not yet. I kind of like that. I'm happy both of my cars actually have a gas cap like lock. No one can be putting sugar in my gas tank. Someone put sugar in his gas tank in Florida.
Yeah. Made him late for grid light. He actually missed grid light.
Missed grid light.
Just to find out on Donut that it doesn't even do anything to your car.
Oh, we didn't mention this. So Justin, Matt's trailer over here, they bought this last season, and we want to actually rip these ramps out. They're going to rip all this stuff down, and then this material right here they got for free actually, so huge upgrade, and they're actually going to put it in the trailer. So it's going to look really good.
Put some insulation behind it.
Yep, make sure it's warm during
to sleep in our trailer
in October.
And yeah, because
it gets a little chilly.
Michigan.
It gets a little chilly.
And yeah, it'll be we'll have a good before June.
But this is Matt's new truck.
For size reference.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Looks really good. The white on white with the trailer looks really good. But you'll see all about this truck on road trips, I'm guessing.
Yeah, oh yeah. This is going to be the road
Look
trip
at how nice
video.
this is. Very nice truck. All right, let's get to work on the seats, Justin.
Great.
First time taking the T-top off.
feels
Dalton's
great.
like, can I get light? I'm like, yeah, let's do this.
This is sick. So much room for activities.
I'm never gonna drive like this.
I would do it all the time.
I feel like I had a midlife crisis.
No way, man. I'm on a roller coaster.
Dalton's trying to get my plastic rearranged right.
so close.
It's hard.
So close, but so far.
But Matt's over here doing work in the ramp and already got one out. How was it? Yeah?
Fucker's heavy.
I bet. Woo. How's it look under it? It dry rotted at all? Looks good.
Not too bad.
Yeah. What? Dude, yeah, right? Skateboarding?
Yeah, or you snowboarding, dude?
Snowboarding, especially.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, that's true.
It's a sick box. Get a little nice little rail.
Yo, can we keep this in the back? So while they're start emptying the trailer, I'm gonna actually start removing my passenger seat to replace it with the NRG. Pretty happy with it. I have driven with the driver's seat for like about a week or so. It's all right. It's not the best seat, obviously, because it's $400 for both of them, but it gets me by, and it is what it is. I don't mind them. I don't have that much of an opinion, you know. I think they're gonna look a lot better though, absolutely. Are you gonna paint the trailer?
Paint it?
Yeah. Are you painting it gray right now?
The outside?
Oh, I thought Justin was talking about painting the
inside, yeah, probably.
the floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna try. We just got all the sand stuff out of there, and now we're gonna try and get the bench out, pull all the walls off, clean it up, and.
All right, just as easy as 4 bolts. So now I know I have that to deal with, and then I think, oh, it's already removed actually. There should have been a little chunk here, so now I just gotta get the shop back and clean this up, but not too bad. I don't know what that is. That looks weird. All right, so Stick and I have been grinding at this thing. We got my driver's side seat belt in, so I can use it for temporary. I will be getting a harness bar and everything, but for right now, this is gonna make me legal, you know? So now we just gotta finish up the rears. The material Matt had isn't long enough, so I will have to go to the store and get some. But I just gotta make those 2 brackets again and finish her up. But I really wanna get this done today.
Oh, we'll get it.
I did raise the driver's side, the rear of it, 1 click up, so I'm wondering how I will like it. Ooh, Stick, I really do notice it.
Do you really? I mean, it is about a ½ inch. I mean, you can't really see it on the camera, but
I like it a lot more. Dude, because look at the clutch like angle.
I didn't really get to see it before. I just made a dumb suggestion, and I'm glad you kind of like it.
So sit in it, because you're gonna find out why. You can take the steering wheel off. You're gonna find out why it's a $400 seat when you feel the bubble in the butt. Like hop a little bit once you're in there.
Ooh.
Yeah. Could you drive this? Is this too tight for you?
Well, I got some
You
big
got
old
boots.
on, you know, I got some Red Wings on. But no. That's actually,
You could drive it.
This is perfect for me. You
Really?
and I both have long legs, so, you know.
Yeah. Looks good. Should I get red harnesses?
You know, some nice bright red ones. Yeah, because you have the red to offset the black.
Yeah.
So
Now I just need the handbrake.
Yeah, dude. Right here.
So I actually talked about, I think I'm going to get a handbrake before I get wheels. Not tires, I'm going to get tires, but I think I'm going to get handbrake before wheels. I think I'm going to actually go with an inline just for now. I don't think I'm going to spend the money for all the dual caliber setup. I think I'm just going to keep it simple and do the inline. Let's get an update on the trailer.
She is stripped apart.
She is. Everything's out of it. They did a great job. Woo! Shelves, ramps, toolbox, all out of it. Crazy. I definitely don't think it's the safest to run these, but you gotta do what you gotta do until you get a harness bar. Almost forgot, Justin pretty much put in a lot of work.
Whoa.
Paint.
Don't give him all
Justin did a lot of the paint. Matt did a lot of the removal of the ramps. Fair enough?
Yeah, I mean, we pulled all the walls down.
We all work together. We're a great team.
We're a
Pulled the
great team.
bench
There is no
out.
I in team, alright?
But
Hold on, let me fix my hat. All right, so we're gonna wrap it up for today, but Matt and I are gonna come back tomorrow. Do a little shop tour and kind of show them a little more details about the shop, but I did get them both installed. This one is loose. I do have to tighten it down. I just don't have the tools that I need. Really liking it. Justin's pretty jealous that I have a matching seat.
I really want a C6 Corvette.
Now he wants to buy a Corvette, but I just love the rear look. I think Justin and I were talking about getting an orange harness bar and then, a red harness bar and then like orange harnesses to match the steering wheel. But that's it for today. Matt, we'll see you tomorrow.
yep.
Keeps ripping, Matt. I can't get a satisfying one. Oh.
Nice.
It's like the noodle that we met together. All right, so Matt and I are just taking off the tape right now that we painted last night. Looking really good. Then we're gonna do a little just like review of the shop, going through it and kind of explaining which part is which part, and just so you guys can see everything finalized. So Matt, I guess we could start off right here. What's this? What's this right here?
The most part, this area will be like where all your, tools are, your specialty stuff. Like, like we'll probably have a couple toolboxes here, a couple benches, welders, presses, all that stuff. So like probably, make like a little cubby somewhere for like a nice little welding area.
Yeah.
That area over there is for us. That's where the hoist is gonna go, in between the pole and the wall. We'll probably have a box over there and a couple benches over there for us, and have the tire machine and shit over there. We might honestly be able to put the tire machine over here.
That'd be sick. There's so many outlets.
Yeah.
They really left their opportunities like available because they just put outlets everywhere, and so every section can kind of be used for multiple purposes.
Right.
Let's go to the office. All right, so the first door right over here, we have the break room.
Boom.
Boom. So I think he's gonna have somewhat of like a mild kitchen right here, and then maybe like a little table right here.
Yeah, probably a couple lockers in here and stuff and whatever.
Yep, where we can hang out without being out in the garage.
Right.
All right.
Sit down and
There we go. What's this?
that's just a closet.
Without doors, handles.
Gotta put the knobs in.
This is kind of like the main entrance right here for all of the office, and then you walk in, and then you got the break room to your right, and then we walk through this way. The old bathroom with the shower. This is huge. I feel like we kind of not talked about this much. We have a full-on shower, guys.
Yeah, so when Justin gets real dirty and he's got a hot date, he can go take a shower.
Right. And then to the left here, we walk down. We have office number 1/Matt/not Matt.
Yeah,
Matt's
kind of pissed, but
is what it is.
it is what it is.
Now his office is out here, he says.
Pretty much. I wanted an office, and it's like sorta, kinda gonna be able to be mine, but it's probably just gonna be the receptionist.
Oh, alright. Now we get the real office of Wally's himself.
This is Waldo's office.
So he has 2 windows. If we're ever doing anything bad in the front yard, he can yell at us. Anything doing bad on the side, he can yell at us. But most importantly, in the shop, if we're ever not behaving, he can yell at us. And then we got the BMW, Matt's BMW.
Look at that sick smiley face.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, those wheels are sharp.
Yeah, cool. It's about the only thing that's on that guy.
So, the first storage room.
Yeah, so this is where all the wash bay stuff is gonna go. So power washers lined up in here along this wall. And then, soap bins and water jugs and just all the whatnot for all the power washing stuff.
This is all floor heated right here, including the wash bay on the other side of that wall and our area. That's why we actually have to put the hoist on the right side of the line, because you can't drill into the cement when there's water on the painted section. And then they do plan on putting storage stuff in the loft up there. So they left that completely open. There is gonna be like a ladder on this side. But besides that, I think that's all the storage, right, Matt? But it's enough, obviously.
Yeah, and then we're gonna have we have a bunch of pallet racks and stuff. So there'll be pallet racking all on this wall over here and stuff, and then probably a couple, in that area over there where all the tooling is gonna go. So this is gonna be the main common area, reception's desk right here for the wash bay. The wash bay is going to become a company. Like, my dad's developing a new company for a truck wash business. You come in here.
Well, first you come in this door. This is the main, from the outside, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, majority of the customers, they'll be in their trucks. They'll pull in. So all the trucks will be coming in that door. That's the back of the building.
Yeah.
You'll pull in. You'll come in. You'll pay. We'll wash your truck. You can hang out in the lounge here. And then when we're done, you get in your truck and you pull out and you go. So this is going to be a full business in itself.
Separate employees and everything.
Yeah. So that's the main thing that he's really trying to get on is getting the power washers and all that stuff. Because that's the only reason that this bay is in here.
Literally.
You know, it's just to be its own company.
Well, Matt, I think we went through the whole thing. Do you have anything else to add?
No, I mean, I'm just excited for, you know, moving in and
Right.
only a couple weeks away, and we'll freaking just, it's going to be a good summer.
It's gonna be a really good summer. Like, we have plenty of plans to do in the back, and we have so much freedom here. It's literally gonna be just our hangout spot. Really excited on those seats. Super excited just on the Corvette in general, just starting to drift it. But that's it for this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and Matt, always.
Peace out. Have a good night.